Alright, yo, so hopefully y'all can see. Sorry it's blue, but we're rolling out. We want to roll it when there's somebody next to me too. Rolling out. But for y'all new people, you gotta go like 5 miles an hour, like the Amazon joint. So yeah. Normally I'd be blasting my music right now, but no copyright. But just loaded up the truck. Bro, I'm always the slowest one. And they call these fucking nursery routes, bro. Motherfuckers be having like 300 packages and shit. Like, how the fuck do they be getting done? So, I'm gonna try to adjust the lighting when I get out here. Cause I gotta pee. Bro, what are you doing? Like, you see us coming out. Like, go. You stand dumbass people. Then you sitting up there on his fucking phone, not even paying attention. Dumbass. This is typical Virginia shit. If you're not from DMV, Virginia, we in the DMV say Virginia. I have like the Amazon vans, the one that's like Amazon on it. We like the white vans because you can speed. You don't have to fully stop at stop signs and shit. Go, nigga. Such a fucking rush. But yeah. At the stop signs with Amazon vans, you gotta make a full, I think like few seconds stop. But sometimes I be messing up. Like, you gotta come to like a complete stop. As long as you feel that jerking motion. Yeah. I'm debating if I want to use the bathroom or not. But I'm just trying to get done because I'm always the slowest one. But yeah, I got like 114 stops. I know it's just like some people, that's like nothing. But like, I don't understand how the fuck. And then like, some people like, they don't have the fucking addresses on the house. And then like, especially when it gets dark, like put a fucking light over the fucking address. Or especially if you like gonna get deliveries, like put fucking addresses on your fucking house. Or they have it to where like, the view is obstructed. You gonna see me cursing a lot, bro. I get annoyed. I got road rage, bro. Come on, dog. I can't see you. Get the fuck out of the way. Oh, damn. That girl fine as shit. Yeah. Like, these vans, you can't do the speed limit. They want you to turn the key off. They want you to, parking brake on. Take the key. Like, bro, come on, dog. Like, you want us to get all this shit done. Like, and I think, like, they should have, like, short routes for people who actually do like the job but can't get shit done. Like, all Amazon care about is money. Jeff Bezos. I mean, he's a Capricorn, but brother, fellow Capricorn brother, but still, damn, dog. Like, hey, girl, how you doing, girl? Shit, it's a fucking car. If you don't like being tailgated, you're gonna have to get used to it, bro. Get the fuck in your lane. Like, shit, this is shit I'm talking about. Like, when they tailgate me, I drive even slower, bro. But, you can't do hard accelerating. So, like, fuck yeah. Like, then, like, in Virginia, oh my God, they drive so fucking slow. Like, you're trying to fucking go somewhere, like, get the fuck out of the way. Can't see the speed limit because his phone cracked. Oh yeah, and I got written up like the other day because for some reason the phone like lost service for like 2 hours. He tried to say that I wasn't doing shit. How the fuck are you gonna tell me what the fuck I was doing? Like, I knew what the fuck I was doing. Tell me I was just sitting there. No, the fucking phone went out of service. But no, I put it on airplane mode because this one address, like I couldn't, it was saying like I'm not in the vicinity for the address. With Virginia too, you gotta watch out because them dumbass motherfuckers will fucking cut you off and then go slow. But you can go, they said you can go like 10 over. For me, she is 40, right? Normally, I be going like 65 on this road. It's like, nah, I be going 50. from the DMV, I mean, look, I mean, I know it's pretty much everywhere, but like, if you're in the DMV, like, they are so fucking stupid. Instead of getting over, like, they'll fucking tailgate you. Yeah. Haha, you ain't make the light, bitch. So hopefully we see some modified cars, because yesterday I saw a lot. But sorry if I'm complaining. Like, get the fuck. Bro, that's what I'm saying. Like, Amazon is stricter than fucking school buses, bro. Like, bro, I might as well just do Metro Access. Metro Access gonna be this street. At least they get paid more. I'm mostly just gonna focus on delivering packages. See, this GPS. Bro, y'all going slow. I don't got time for this. Bro, like, go! And then like you swinging that lane. Like, bro, go! And they just fucking go slower. Like, go! Fucking idiot. God, they just fucking stupid for like no reason. Like, cause I swung in his lane a little bit. He just lollygagging like on the fucking side. Like, fucking go, bitch. He on the phone, that's why. Fucking idiot. But now it's, bro, this GPS is some shit. What the fuck is it telling me? It just told me to turn right. Then it told me to turn left. I don't know if you saw the GPS, but bro, this shit was telling me to turn right. Then it was telling me to turn left. Then it told me to do the U-turn. Like, fucking fix yourself. And like, then they wonder why they can't keep nobody. Bro, because y'all keep letting people go. Fucking shit is so fucking strict. Of course, bro, you can't do shit. Then they want you to deliver all these fucking packages. Shit is taxing, bro. Who the fuck keeps turning the sound off? I can't see a fucking thing.
In half a mile, turn right onto Holborn Avenue.
And this voice shit, I don't know what idiot keeps turning it off, but this voice shit helps. Cause like, sometimes people don't have fucking addresses on their fucking, like after I said that, they don't have addresses on their fucking house. Then they get mad, like in the notes, talking about something, they delivered to the wrong house. Have an address on the front of your house so where we can see, not on the side. And when it's dark, have fucking lights. Bro, these houses are pure motivation.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
Alright, man. Well, I'm not listening to music, so I can turn it off. And the girl I'm talking to might call. I don't know what the fuck we are, bitch. So, as you can see, this shit's a mess. I ordered them like in stops, or like in order. Like, this is the bag. Like, when you get the thing, I didn't want to record in the house, the warehouse, because I don't know, but they seem strict. So the people who do like Amazon videos and stuff, how do you be doing that shit like in the warehouse? So I have them in order. This is, or they go by the, like sometimes if they don't have the number, like this right, can you see this? I don't know if you can see, dog, but it's a number. It's a number, like this number right here, they go by this number on here. Sometimes if they don't have this number, I look at the address. But this is, number is 222. I'm slow. So it's a box. And sometimes, like, they'll put the wrong thing. Sometimes they'll say it's a box when it's not a box. Or sometimes they'll say it's an envelope when it's not an envelope. The envelope would be a box. And it's not a box. And what I do, what this guy was telling me, is like, I don't fill this shelf. I fill the shelf. I don't fill the shelf with bags. I fill them like, so, like at stops. Like, I can do like this, take out the stuff and I can see it. So yeah. Oh, I don't have no envelopes in this drink. All right, hitting my box. So, oh, I do got envelopes though. I'm tripping. So what I do is I say I parked on here. Order stops. Okay. Scan it. I'm slow, so it might be better techniques. So normally I don't walk across the grass, but I'm in a rush. Some people don't like you. Some of the customers don't like you. But oh well. I try not to do because people hate this. But since I always see like they can get out the open the door. So they can get out, open the door, you take a picture, swipe, and just keep it moving. On the phone, say it has notes. Some, like this one, it says, front door receipt. Please put the packages on the front door and not on the garage door. The customer is pregnant and cannot move much. All right. But normally the routes are like pretty close together. So yeah, let me try to fix this shit.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.